In 2014, the world's first stadium was inaugurated where, uniquely, a total of 22,000 spectators are identified at the entry gates with vein scanners representing the highest levels of security standards. The vein structure-based system currently represents the most developed form of biometric identification. This is the first time a biometric system is capable of handling mass admission of around one person a second involving personal identification. The entry system at Groupama Arena was developed, installed, and is operated by BioSec, one of the leading companies in the field of developing biometric solutions. During the biometric identification, the person's physical or physiological characteristics are being measured. BioSec uses completely harmless infrared light to map the vein structures under the skin. The identification is done by placing the hand above the scanner. The non-contact process takes 1 second on average. The vein sensor doesn't capture images. Instead, the vein print is converted into an encrypted, non-decodable hash code. Identification done by the BioSec vein sensor system is efficient, fast, safe, the first in the world, and is suitable for the individual and quick control of large numbers of people. The widely known types of biometric identification, such as retina or fingerprint identification, can't compete with the technology of BioSec in terms of efficiency, time, or security. The identification of the palm vein network is highly secure because the biometric template can't be copied or lost, and it's not visible from the outside, while the living hand and presence to be identified is necessary. The pattern of the vein network is an inner biological information that doesn't leave prints or other samples, and therefore it's not suitable for secret data collection. This sample, unlike fingerprints, can't be used for criminal identification. Let's take a look at how the vein scanner works in a complete system. In the case of the Groupama Arena, the fans place both their left and right hands above the scanner for a couple of seconds during the registration. This way, identification data is stored in the BioSec system. While entering the stadium, they have to identify themselves in just a couple of seconds, after which they can advance. Besides this, the BioSec system can be used in many other fields. It's suitable for office building admission. It's as easy to use as a magnetic card. However, there is no need for the presence of physical devices since we only need to use our hands. Thus, individual entitlements can be defined more precisely. Abuse can be prevented, and as opposed to cards, our hand is always with us. We can't leave it at home. It's possible to use the system for cashless payment. This way we can go to a cafe with empty pockets. No card, no chip or PIN is necessary. A library can also use vein mapping-based identification instead of readers' tickets or passes. Thus, borrowing can be simpler and faster. The BioSec system can be used in healthcare for the precise and fast identification of patients without any papers or documents. The extraordinarily high security level of BioSec makes it suitable for identification in the banking sector. This way, the security level of banking in branches as well as that of online banking can be increased to the maximum. BioSec is a modern, safe, and easy-to-use personal identification system that provides a higher level of protection in all cases and allows us to give up the use of other physical devices. It's easy to use and it can easily be integrated into existing systems. Thus, this technology is available for everyone who, for comfort or security purposes, wants to have a reliable identification solution at their business. The BioSec system is uncompromising in the field of security and is outstanding in terms of efficiency, whether it's bank security or more than 20,000 people in a soccer stadium. BioSec.